How to fix Telegram banned phone number. If any day any of you are a Telegram user and you would like to fix the Telegram banned phone number but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For that, first of all, what you have to do is you have to go to the option of Telegram like this and then tap on Telegram. After that, you can go to the I like option here, and after tapping on the I like option, now you can see an interface like this. After that, you have to tap on the option of notifications. After tapping a notification, if you see allow notification, you have to enable it and also enable allow sound and vibration. Now you have to go back and then go to the option of permissions. After tapping on permissions, if you see the option of the call logs, camera, contacts, location, microphone, music and audio, nearby devices, notification, phone photos and videos, you have to allow them all and then go back again, then tap on the option of set as default. After tapping on set as default, you have to enable open the supported links and then go back again. After going back, now you have to tap on storage. After tapping on storage, now if you see any of the cache there, you have to clear down the cache by tapping on clear the cache and then go back again. Now you have to tap on the option of app details in store, and after tapping on app details in store, now if you see the option of update to every application, you have to update your application by tapping on update, and this way your problem will be solved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.